darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? Cause nothing lasts forever, even cold November rain. Then it's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. We've been through this such a long, long time, just trying to kill the pain. Oh yeah. Love was always going, love was always going, almost till the sun was letting go today. Walking away. If it could take the time to lay it on the line, I could rest my head just knowing that you are mine. Oh, mine. So if you wanna love me, then darling, don't refrain. Around you stand up walking in the cold November rain. Do you need some time on your own? Do you need some time all alone? Oh, everybody needs some time on your own. Oh, don't you know you need some time all alone? I know it's hard to keep an open heart, and even friends seem out to harm you. But if you could heal the broken heart, wouldn't take me out to charm you. Sometimes I need some time on my own. Sometimes I need some time all alone. Oh, everybody needs some time on your own. Oh, don't you know you need some time all alone? You feel subside and shadows still remain. Oh yeah, I know that you can love me when there's no one left to blame.